Hello everybody, and today I want to show you all my fire alarms that I made. Just a light switch here, and up here is my wheelock AS, and over here is my wheelock MT4, the 24 volt DC version. Yeah. Here is my Edwards pole station. Up here is my fire bell. And in my room, I have a Spectacular Classic. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but in here, it's my BG12 pole station, wired up to some 9-volt batteries. Yeah. And over here, I keep reinstalling this. I remember installing it back in 2022, but took down for a while, but decided to leave it, put it back up again. I have my wheelock NS. Yeah. And over here is my Firelight BG12, and up here is my real wheelock NS. And yeah, over here is my other Firelight BG12, and up here is my wheelock EHS EL1. Yeah. And over here, I moved my wheelock 7002T from the upstairs bathroom to the right front door, then took it down again, then took it back to the garage, but it wasn't the right spot, so I decided to move it here. That one's been up the longest, as far as I can remember. Right here is my Simplex T-bar pole station, and here is my exit stopper, and right here is my wheelock WM3T. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And over here it's my Simplex T-bar, and up here is my other exit stopper. Yeah, my fire door. Don't want to open that. And then over here is my other fire alarm pole station. I forget what model pole station is this. The last but not least is my wheelock AS, the weatherproof version, horn strobe. And that's all my fire alarms. See you later. Bye.